The legendary Nokia N95 makes a stunning comeback in 2027, and it's not just nostalgia, it's a bold statement in the modern smartphone era. The new Nokia N95 2027 perfectly blends iconic design elements with cutting-edge innovation, making it one of the most exciting devices for tech enthusiasts and longtime Nokia fans alike. Right from the first look, the device revives the classic sliding design that made the original N95 famous, but this time with a futuristic twist. The build quality feels premium, featuring a sleek aluminum frame and a durable glass back that screams sophistication. The sliding mechanism is smoother than ever, revealing hidden controls that enhance both productivity and media experience. On the front, the Nokia N95 2027 boasts a stunning 6.9-inch AMOLED display with ultra-thin bezels and a silky smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching high-definition content, gaming, or browsing, the visuals are incredibly vibrant, sharp, and immersive. The brightness levels are also impressive, making outdoor usage effortless even under direct sunlight. Performance-wise, Nokia has packed this device with a powerful next-gen processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. Multitasking is seamless, apps launch instantly, and heavy gaming runs without any lag. This smartphone is built for speed, efficiency, and reliability. The camera system is where the Nokia N95 2027 truly shines. It features a revolutionary quad camera setup, including a massive 200 megapixels primary sensor, ultra-wide lens, telephoto zoom, and a dedicated night sensor. Photos come out incredibly detailed with natural colors, while low-light performance is simply outstanding. The front camera is equally impressive, perfect for high-quality selfies and crystal-clear video calls. Battery life is another strong point. Equipped with a 6000 mAh battery, the device easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Fast charging and wireless charging support ensure you're never out of power for long. On the software side, the Nokia N95 2027 runs a clean, near-stock Android experience, free from unnecessary bloatware. This ensures smooth performance, better security, and timely updates, something Nokia has always been known for. In conclusion, the Nokia N95 2027 is more than just a smartphone, it's a revival of a legend with modern excellence. It combines nostalgia with innovation, offering powerful performance, an incredible camera, and a unique design that stands out in a crowded market. For your YouTube channel, Upcoming Smartphones Hub, this device is definitely a showstopper that will grab attention and spark excitement among viewers.